Two of the more popular fillers to create volume and fullness in the face are Sculptra and Radiesse. Both Sculptra and Radiesse can be used in nearly identical fashions to help create more fullness to the cheeks, more fullness to the face. Sculptra and Radiesse can both be used to create an uplifted appearance to the cheeks, helping to smooth some of the folds through the nasolabial region. In the end, the results from Sculptra and Radiesse are very much the same, but how we get there with the two fillers is really very different. Radiesse is typically performed as a single injection. So we can perform in one setting a single series of Radiesse injections, and the results from those Radiesse injections are essentially immediate. You can give the patient the hand mirror, they can look in the hand mirror, they can tell us if they're pleased with the results of the Radiesse, and indeed if they're pleased, we're done with our set of injections, the patient goes on their way, and those set of injections, treatments with Radiesse, last about a year or so, sometimes a little longer. Sculptra achieves a very similar, if not identical, result, but instead of being performed in a single setting, Sculptra is performed as a series of typically 2 to 3 or 3 to 4 treatments over a 3-month time period. During that time period, the patient's results evolve, and we add a little Sculptra, very much like sculpting, and we achieve their desired result gradually, so the results emerge over the course of several months. The results from Sculptra typically last 2 to 3 years, sometimes longer. So with Radiesse, the patient comes back in a year and we redo it. With Sculptra, the patient comes back in a year and we can just top it off a little bit, add a little bit of Sculptra, and have their results perpetuate for many years in the future.